Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and today I am back with another video about how to earn instant cash with paid studies. A fun fact about me is that when I was in college, I done a ton of paid studies to earn extra cash for extracurricular activities. The struggle was real. So I've done the research. I know exactly where to find them, and I am bringing more paid studies that you guys comment down below that will be eligible for you guys depending on your city and state. So let's just dive right in. The first study we have that is $2,100 study. This is a paid study for addiction research. This is a 3-week study to determine usefulness of a new method of reducing the effects of addictive behavior. This lasts for 21 days with a 3-month follow-up. You will need to do 6 clinical visits, and this is for all individuals who would like to reduce the effects of any addiction. So an addiction can result as a resilience of substance such as caffeine, nicotine, or other substance, and it could be related to online websites, whether you have a gambling problem, whether you and so forth, of anything that particular to online websites, cell phone usage, or social media. This study involves behavior modification and is a novel approach to addiction management. So if you think you have an addiction to anything, you may want to check out this study and get $2,100 and learn more about your addiction. This is a paid study for Las Vegas residents. This study is by Nuvome, and you will be testing a fixed dosage combination tablet. The study is located in Las Vegas, and the study dates do start on August 26th through September 13th. You may be eligible for this study if you are a female or male between the ages of 18 and 55 years of age. If you have a BMI, which is a body mass index, between 18.5 to 29.9. If you don't know your BMI, you can easily go on Google search and type in your information regarding your weight and height, and it should calculate your BMI. You must not do any tobacco. You must be in general good health, and you must pass a drug screen, including marijuana, and you must be willing to take 2 short check-ins and a few return visits. So I did not include the return visits, but on a link that I give you guys, you can go and check out the return visits to see if you're available for those return visits with the short check-ins. So the check-ins is through August 26th through September 13th. Okay, and then first time participants earn an extra $200 bonus if you complete the study. So you can get up to $2,000. And if you do try to refer people, they do give you an extra bonus as well. So make sure you check that one out. Now we have a $1,200 study, and this is a paid study for whole bean research. This is a 2-week study to determine the positive health effects of consuming whole bean coffee. All individuals are encouraged to participate. Coffee drinkers and non-coffee drinkers are accepted. The applicants with heart disorders or taking blood thinners may not be accepted. The study will last 14 days with 2 clinical visits. The link will be in the description box for you to qualify. This is a $400 study, and this paid study is for commercial electricians. This is an upcoming paid market research study for commercial electricians. The study will be a 2-hour Zoom session, and you will receive a $400 check within 2 weeks from August 23rd. So I'm making this video on August 23rd, but it will be posted on August 24th. So 2 weeks from August 23rd, because this is when this study was posted, they will give you a date. But when you sign up, they should notify you the exact date. And this study is for market research purposes only. The company is Global MRP, which is a market research company that puts people on paid studies. So if you are a commercial electrician or know someone that is a commercial electrician, share this video with them and let them know that they can earn $400. for 2 hours. It's pretty good. This is a $200 study, and this is a paid study for Samsung users. Okay, I did do a video on iOS users and Mac users. Well, I have some for Samsung users in this video. If you do have an iPhone, make sure you check out the video in the cards at the right top of your screen to check out that study. But this is a study for the Samsung users. The study is looking for participants who do and do not use the prediction bar on their Samsung phone. Priority will be given to those who do not use the prediction bar. The study pays $200 on the same day for your completion of the study, which is expected to last approximately 4 hours. So $200 for 4 hours, it's not bad. You must be 18 years older and you must have one of these phones: the Samsung S21 Plus 5G, the Galaxy Note 20 5G, the Samsung S22 5G, the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G, the Samsung 21 5G, the Samsung S22 5G, the Samsung S21 FE 5G, the Samsung 20 5G, the Samsung 20, the Samsung 2022, the Samsung A53 5G, or the Samsung S20 FE. So if you have any of those Samsung carriers phones, you can qualify for $200. Make sure you head right down to the description box below and click that link so that you can sign up. This is a $200 study online focus group for horse owners. This study is looking for U.S. horse owners that are willing to participate in some upcoming online focus group. To be considered for this study, you must own and care for a horse or horses. You will be paid $200 by gift card for 60 to 90 minutes of your time. This focus group will be conducted entirely online, so you don't need to travel, you don't need to bring your horse, you don't even need to show your horse. You just need a computer with an internet connection and a webcam. And that's it. You can use that $200 to feed your horses. So make sure if you do have a horse, you check it out. If you have a family member that owns a horse or a farm, or someone that you know is a horse owner, send this video to them. Help them out. This is a $200 study for plant shoppers. Okay, a paid study for plant shoppers. So do you shop for garden supplies and plants at retailers like Tractor Supply Company and Rural King? Well, this one is for you. This is an online study, and this is where you'll be asked about your plant shopping preference at stores like Tractor Supply and Rural King. The activities will take a total of 120 minutes. As a thank you, you will receive a $200 Visa gift card. So that link will be in the description box below. Just $200 for 2 hours of your time. That's not bad. $120 study for San Diego residents. This focus group involves hearing two sides of a legal dispute and judging who is right. All you need is your common sense. It's pretty easy, and you'll be paid $120. So if you are in San Diego, the focus group will be happening in downtown San Diego on Friday, August 26th. So you only have about 48 hours to go ahead and sign up, and they'll give you a call. The focus group is 4.5 hours. You'll receive breakfast, coffee, and free parking will be provided, because you know how it is when parking in downtown San Diego. So don't worry, you'll get free parking. Just bring your common sense in yourself. So make sure you click that link down in the description box. If you are in San Diego or you know someone in San Diego, let them know that there is a study going on in a couple of days. This is a $90 study, and this is a focus study for Arizona residents. This study is looking for Arizona individuals ages from 18 and older, ideally from a variety of ages, who is willing to share honest views for legal advocates. You must live in Arizona and show proof of Arizona ID residence. And the date for this study is Friday, August 26th from 8:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. and you'll have breaks during those times. This will be a 4.5 hour Zoom call with a guaranteed $90 through PayPal only. So make sure you have a PayPal account and make sure you have Zoom. And you must be stationary for the entire 4.5 hour Zoom meeting and actively participate. signed confidentiality agreement is required, and no felons will be considered for this study because they are doing this for a jury. So as you know, felons cannot serve on a jury, so they won't be qualified for this study. But if you're in Arizona or know anybody in Arizona, let them know. They may want to earn an extra $90 on that Friday. Now we have another study for Android users, and this is a Android app focus group, and it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy and short. You can earn $20 for 15 minutes. Get that $20 and go get Chipotle. You can get free lunch. You know, free lunch is on them, basically. They are looking for 18-year-olds plus Android users to try their new app called Open and provide feedback on how to improve it. Open is an app for Android users, and it is a new messaging app to chat anonymously and honestly with your friends. You will need to complete a short task sharing your opinion, and they'll pay you $20 for your time that will last only 15 minutes. Slots are limited, so to apply, you must currently live in the Phoenix area. You must have an Android smartphone. You must be 18 years of age. You must have a PayPal account to receive payment. So make sure you check it out if you are in Phoenix and you have an Android. And that's it, guys. I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Please comment below your city and state, and I'll look out for some more studies that you can earn more money. Okay, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and press the notification bell so you can be one of the first to be notified when I post another video like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.